Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Payoneer business account to receive payments and manage your business finances globally, follow these comprehensive steps for successful verification. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer business account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Settings or Account Settings section by clicking on your profile icon or business name. Step 3. Look for the Verification Center or Business Verification section in your account dashboard. Step 4. Start by verifying your email address if you haven't already. Payoneer will send a verification email to your registered business email address. Step 5. For business verification, you'll need to provide official company documents such as a certificate of incorporation, business registration, or articles of organization. Step 6. Upload clear copies of your business documents. Make sure all information including company name, registration number, and date of incorporation is clearly visible. Step 7. Provide information about beneficial owners and directors of the company. This includes names, addresses, and ownership percentages. Step 8. Upload identification documents for each beneficial owner who holds 25% or more of the company. This typically includes passports or driver's licenses. Step 9. Submit proof of business address such as a recent utility bill, lease agreement, or bank statement showing the company's registered address. Step 10. Wait for Payoneer to review all submitted documents. This process can take several business days. Check your email for verification status updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.